Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning, engaging content that gets clicks and views, on how you can create Instagram story using Canva. So in here, what you need to do is just open Canva on mobile or canva.com on browser like this. And then you can just head into templates in here and you'll see the Instagram story options. Also it will be divided into categories, so you can just choose Instagram story option, and here you'll see lots of templates provided by Canva. So there are free templates in Canva. There are also templates that will require you to join Canva Pro, like this one with the crown icon on it. So you can just choose the template that aligned with your need, whether it's for your personal Instagram account or maybe business account. You can just choose one. For example, in here, I'm going to use these templates right here. You can just click on the template and tap on customize this template. So the template will be open in a new tab. Now you can just upload your own photo or video to replace the one in the template. Here I'm going to ungroup this first, and then you can just delete this one, delete video, and you can just add your or upload your own video. So let's say this is my video right here. So you can just drop it into the frame just like this, and you can just double click on it to reposition the photo or video into the frame. You can also delete the parts, the elements that you don't need, or you can change the font, the color, or add some more elements. You can go to elements in here and tap on the elements that you want, whether it's stickers or maybe a new text. So that's up to you. And when you're done, you can just click on share, download, and download it as MP4 if it's a video, or JPG or PNG if it's a picture. Then just upload it to your Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.